Imagine waking up in late 2025 and realizing that you're not in a dream, that you actually look younger. Is this possible? Well, I think so. My name is Dr. Roy Kim, board certified plastic surgeon, and I'll go through what I think are the top 10 aesthetic trends in both non-invasive, less invasive, and even surgical things, procedures, treatments where you can actually look younger and make this dream become a reality. Let's kick things off with a game changer known as exosomes. So exosomes are bits of genetic material. They also have growth factors, and they are FDA approved for topical use. So what happens is, with the right treatment, specifically applied with skin booster, microneedling, and other techniques, we can actually deliver exosomes to your skin. So what does that mean to you? Exosomes can actually improve collagen, skin quality, will reduce fine wrinkles, and actually help your skin look better. So definitely ask your plastic surgeon, your nurse injector, whoever does your medical grade, surgical grade skin treatments about exosomes. Now, let's talk about your house. So I think that 2025 will have increasingly more at-home treatments that are actually effective. We've seen that red light can have some effect in terms of improving skin quality and reducing inflammation. I think that it will become increasingly even more popular. There are some gadgets which I think don't work, but certainly red light therapy is one that does. There may be future cryo treatments and other treatments that are readily available without seeing a doctor, a nurse, without going to a med spa. So I do look forward to more at-home beauty and aesthetic treatments. I also think that 2025 we're going to see more combination treatments. In other words, more non-surgical treatments that we already know and love, but in combination. Specifically, I'm thinking about neurotoxins such as Botox coupled with filler. We can also have skin boosting agents such as Invasive and other vitamin products, other liquid products, including exosomes, which can be used in combination with neurotoxin. So what that means is that your skin will actually look a lot smoother with a lot less makeup or no makeup. Your skin will be more youthful in appearance. And finally, your pore size and skin quality will be dramatically improved. Here's another concept I thought about a lot: collagen banking. So collagen is what we lose as we age. Especially if you hit menopause, you lose a substantial amount of collagen within the first 2 years of menopause. However, if we can bank the collagen, if we can constantly try to replenish it or grow it, I do think that this trend of collagen banking, having a reservoir of collagen, will increase in 2025. So whether it's a different type of diet with foods that actually produce or help produce more collagen, your overall holistic life, including exercise, if you can believe that. So we can actually boost the amount of collagen you have with med spa or other injectable treatments, including skin booster, microneedling, RF microneedling, and other devices, which definitely help increase the quality of your skin, the thickness of your skin, and really improves that collagen. There's another game changer that was recently approved in the US, which I think will be more widely applied and you're going to hear about more this year in 2025. It's PDGF, platelet-derived growth factor. So this is a factor, a liquid if you will, that actually, no doubt about it, is FDA approved for certain surgical procedures, helps in wound healing. It can also be applied to aesthetic treatments. I think the easiest way to apply it now is if you have plastic surgery, you can apply PDGF to the actual incision or wound and it will accelerate healing. In terms of aesthetic treatments, if you have some type of treatment where you have a lot of skin exfoliation, whether it's microneedling, RF microneedling, laser, chemical peel, and then you apply PDGF, you're actually going to have more rapid healing as well. So this is commercially available in the US immediately today. You can go out and get some, but I don't think it's widely applied in aesthetic circles. I think that 2025 will be the year that you're going to hear more about PDGF. We've all heard about AI. We may be even a little sick of it. However, I think that 2025 will be the year where consumer-friendly AI options are going to be available. I've seen some of the prototypes, but sort of late in 2024, I actually saw viable products that are out now. So I've discussed this already, but Perfect Corporation has an AI-powered face simulator where they take a photo of your face, but then they can simulate what you would look like with neuromodulator or Botox, filler, certain types of lasers, and all the other fun things that we can do to improve your skin. Of course, in the past, we sort of had this technology, but it wasn't really based on AI. It wasn't based on existing patient information. Now, we actually have the ability to give you more realistic after photos, after images of what you would actually look like after you've visited your favorite nurse injector or plastic surgeon for less invasive or non-invasive treatments. Other companies are definitely roaring into this space, so I do think that there are going to be more and more viable options that are realistic in terms of predicting your outcomes. I also think that there's going to be more of a trend in terms of plastic surgery and combination treatments. If we take a look at your whole face, if your whole body holistically, in terms of the face, we may need to address the neck and the face and the jowls all at the same time. However, we're able to do this with sort of smaller procedures and possibly also include some non-surgical things to enhance these results, such as PDGF, Botox, maybe microneedling after your surgery. So I think the advent, sort of the beginning of smaller procedures, but several of them to give you an overall better holistic result, will definitely start occurring more and more often in 2025. We all know about aesthetic lasers, fractionated lasers, CO2, erbium YAG, etc. So I think that 2025 will, maybe some more, have light technologies with continued improvements. So we shall see what the major manufacturers will exhibit in terms of being FDA approved as a medical device, other advances. But yes, I do think that laser light will either be hopefully less expensive, be faster, be less painful, and a combination of all of these factors so that lasers will continue to increase in popularity. I also think in 2025, we may see an increase in overall facial aesthetics, the holistic look, and possibly a slow growth in thread lifting. So I have been to Korea several times for plastic surgery conferences, and thread lifting is definitely a thing. What's interesting is that they're very specific about how to apply the threads. They're very judicious. They're not always applying them. They actually don't really place as many as we do in the US. So to get better results, they have the same threads that we have in the US, but thread lifting in combination with Botox, with filler, with better skincare, and also with factors that help with healing, you can get a very good result with technically no surgery, and you can get a great result when you combine these factors with surgery. I think in 2025 as well, we're going to have an increase in wellness practices. So when I talk about collagen, and here's a whole separate video on it, there are a lot of factors that actually increase collagen. We're talking about diet, stress, your mental outlook on life, exercise, and more. Well, in terms of your aesthetics, I think that increasingly we're going to see more and more practices where if we can treat you holistically in terms of your mental health, supplements that actually work, diet, an exercise program, and more, along with Botox, fillers, skin booster, and other agents, we can actually give you an overall better holistic aesthetic appearance. We can start from the face, we can start with your hair, we can start with your body, or we can do everything. I think this is an increasingly interesting way of looking at you as an individual person and sort of helping you achieve your overall aesthetic goals, which are in line with your overall health goals. So I do think that the future of aesthetics is bright as ever, but in 2025, we're going to see even more technological advances, more personalized, bespoke, custom-made treatment programs, and other regimens. So if you have any other questions or comments about this, please let me know. If you think there's something I missed, please definitely tell me about it, because I'd be happy to discuss it, maybe even make another video about it. And as always, there are other videos, including the ones here, that you could watch on my YouTube channel. Thanks so much for stopping by, and thanks so much for watching.